On the bustling city street, Ava's thumb dances frantically across the screen of her phone, lost in the labyrinth of finance apps. She strides past bookstores, their windows crammed with volumes promising financial freedom, yet a sense of overwhelming complexity lingers. Her gaze darts to laptops and cafes, each screen a dizzying array of financial spreadsheets. The sheer volume of information is palpable, threatening to suffocate Ava in its relentless surge. Ava's face expresses frustration as she is struggling to process the complex financial information on her phone. The financial apps on her phone display complex graphs and numbers. In the solitude of her apartment, Ava is surrounded by towering stacks of finance books and a legion of open browser tabs. The early morning light pierces through the window, a mocking reminder of the sleepless hours she has endured. Ava's face hardens with determination as she navigates the labyrinthine world of ETFs. Exhaustion etches itself onto Ava's face, each line a testament to her unwavering dedication. A sigh escapes her lips, a fleeting surrender to the overwhelming weight of her research. Defeated, Ava's gaze drifts away from the screen, lost in the labyrinth of her own thoughts. Ava, consumed by stress and confusion, sits hunched over her desk, a battlefield of financial uncertainties. The notepad reveals the chaotic landscape of her financial dilemmas. Buy versus rent? Robo-advisor versus D. 400 jednak wzrost ira. The weight of financial decisions bears down on her. She stares blankly ahead, lost in a maze of choices. A tower of finance books rises ominously on Ava's desk, each volume a silent testament to her mounting stress. Her computer screen becomes a chaotic landscape of browser windows, each filled with complex charts. Ava's to-do list transforms from manageable to monstrous, a relentless scroll of crossed-out failures and new, impossible tasks. Ava sits hunched over her desk, her brow furrowed in concentration as she stares intently at the chaotic data. The camera focuses on Ava's trembling hand as she reaches for another book, the weight of her responsibilities pressing down on her. The room seems to shrink around Ava, the walls closing in as the weight of her responsibilities crushes her spirit. Sunlight drenches the bustling coffee shop, illuminating Ava and her friend during their midday meeting. Steam rises lazily from their coffee cups, the aroma mingling with the murmur of conversation. Ava shifts uncomfortably as the conversation turns to her investment habits. Friend leans forward, curiosity sparkling in her eyes. You're always researching. Have you actually invested anything yet? Ava hesitates, her discomfort evident as she admits, not really. A palpable silence hangs between them, thick with unspoken questions and gentle judgment. Ava remains at her desk, a fortress of unanswered questions surrounding her, the silence amplifying her distress. The relentless march of time etches lines of worry onto Ava's face, each moment a stark reminder of her stagnation. A subtle desperation colors the scene, each passing moment indistinguishable from the last, a quiet testament to her lack of progress. Her eyes reflect a growing anxiety, mirroring the relentless passage of time and the weight of unanswered questions. Ava sits in her dimly lit apartment, the glow of the screen casting shadows across her face. Frustration mounts as she stares at the complex pie chart, her brow furrowed in thought. Suddenly, a ping pierces the silence, a notification flashing across her phone screen. New investing trend, AI stocks. The message hints at a new opportunity. Ava glances at the notification, a flicker of curiosity momentarily breaking through her frustration. Could this notification be the answer she has been searching for? In the darkness of her apartment, Ava lies still, her eyes fixed on the ceiling as despair washes over her. The cold light from her phone screen casts shadows across her face, revealing the weight of her fruitless efforts. Zero invested. 18 months researching. The stark reality of the words on the screen hits her like a physical blow. Defeated and utterly overwhelmed, she lets the phone slip from her grasp, the weight of her failure crushing her spirit. Lost in the shadows, Ava surrenders to the crushing weight of her dashed dreams, her apartment now a silent tomb of unrealized potential. Sunlight bathes a busy coffee shop as Ava sits alone, her anxiety palpable in every nervous gesture. Layla enters, a wave of confidence rippling through the room, a stark contrast to Ava's unease. Layla approaches the table, her gaze sharp and intent, as she focuses on Ava. Layla leans in, her question cutting through the air. Let me ask you something. When you buy toothpaste, Do you stand there for 20 minutes comparing every brand? The intensity of Layla's question hangs in the air, leaving Ava momentarily speechless. Bathed in sunlight, the coffee shop buzzes with activity as Ava and Layla settle in. Ava shrugs dismissively. No, I just grab one and go. Layla leans forward, her expression intent. Layla emphasizes, exactly. You don't optimize toothpaste. You simplify it. Layla concludes with conviction. Do the same with money. Sunlight floods the lively coffee shop as Layla sits alone. A half-finished coffee, her only companion. Lost in thought, Layla sketches a triangle on a napkin, marking each corner with a single word. Save, invest, automate. Her expression sharpens as a plan forms in her mind, the words on the napkin taking on new weight. Layla leans back, a soft smile gracing her lips as she declares, start with one savings goal, one index fund, automate it, then live your life. The bustling coffee shop fades into the background as Layla's vision of a simpler, automated future takes shape. Under the veil of night, Ava journeys home, her steps infused with a newfound lightness, her thoughts dancing in the glow of the city lights. The blurred lights of the city cradle her as she turns over Layla's words in her mind, each step a beat in the rhythm of her contemplation. Within the sanctuary of her thoughts, Ava's mind awakens, the gears of understanding quietly turning. A subtle smile graces her lips, a gentle promise of the changes to come. The city lights reflect in her eyes, mirroring the burgeoning hope and quiet resolve within her. In the dim light of her apartment, Ava's focus sharpens, her thumb poised over her phone's glowing screen. With a swift, decisive swipe, she banishes the first of 9 finance apps, a silent act of liberation. The screen flickers, each disappearing app a step towards clarity and control. Ava turns, her face bathed in the cool glow of her computer monitor. A new chapter begins. A few clicks, and a simple 3-fund portfolio appears, a beacon of financial simplicity. Ava leans back, a sense of calm washing over her as she gazes at the simplified financial landscape before her. In the quiet of her apartment, Ava focuses intently, her brow furrowed in concentration. With a decisive click, Ava initiates the auto transfers, securing her financial future. A wave of relief washes over Ava as the confirmation flashes on the screen. Ava's face softens, her expression now radiating determination and hope. In the stillness of her apartment, Ava's newfound resolve fills the room, hinting at a brighter future. The digital tide turns as Ava's investment account surges past 100, a beacon of burgeoning success. The numbers climb to 500, each digit a testament to her growing financial acumen. Breaking the 2-0 mark, the screen reflects her escalating triumphs and ambitions. Ava watches the screen, her confidence blossoming with each milestone achieved, an air of triumph beginning to envelop her. The digital display continues to reflect her success, reinforcing her belief in her own capabilities. 1 year later, in her cozy apartment, Ava's fingers hover over the keyboard, a soft glow illuminating her focused expression. The investment account balance flashes on the screen. 12,500, a testament to her unwavering resolve and financial savvy. Her eyes fixate on the figure, each digit a symbol of her hard-earned success. A genuine smile blossoms on Ava's face, radiating pure, unadulterated joy. The apartment around her fades into a soft blur, the world outside muted as she basks in this moment of triumph. Ava leans back, the laptop screen reflecting in her eyes a portrait of accomplishment and self-reliance. A storm of frantic research consumes the screen, each frame a testament to mounting pressure and uncertainty. Faces contorted in agony fill the screen, indecision cutting deep lines into their expressions. Graphs and charts blur in a dizzying array of data, each line a symbol of unanswered questions. The weight of responsibility crushes them as they wrestle with impossible choices. The rapid cuts highlight the stark contrast between their turmoil and Ava's unwavering calm. Bathed in the golden light of financial freedom, Ava glides through the park, her hair dancing in the gentle breeze. Sunlight filters through the trees, illuminating her face, a portrait of carefree joy. She pauses, her eyes catching the vibrant colors of a blooming flower bed. A deep breath fills her lungs, the sweet fragrance of blossoms painting a picture of perfect contentment. In this serene sanctuary, the essence of a simplified life unfolds. The park whispers secrets of peace and financial independence. In the heart of the community center, Ava stands, a beacon of energy and enthusiasm. With passionate gestures, she guides her audience through the complexities of money clarity. Start simple. Her confident expression reflects her love for teaching. Her enthusiasm is infectious, drawing the small group deeper into the lesson. She moves, her passion igniting a spark of understanding in the eyes of her students. Ava stands, basking in the glow of shared knowledge and community spirit. Sunlight floods the community center, illuminating the scene where Ava prepares to impart her wisdom. Before her, students sit, their faces eager as they await Ava's guidance. Ava's expression is warm, her stance encouraging as she begins to speak. If you feel overwhelmed, don't start with 100 choices, Ava advises, her tone gentle yet firm. Start with one good one, she continues, her eyes meeting those of her students. Then build from there, Ava concludes, her words resonating with hope and possibility. Bathed in the golden hues of the city's embrace, Ava walks serenely through the vibrant streets. Her face glows with an inner peace, reflecting the sunlight that dances between buildings. Completely lost in her world, she absorbs the symphony of urban life unfolding around her. The distant hum of traffic and lively chatter blend into a harmonious melody, serenading her peaceful journey. In this moment, Ava embodies pure contentment, a solitary figure amidst the bustling cityscape. Ava's savings chart begins to rise, a visual testament to her diligent financial planning. The chart reflects her growing investments, each upward tick a victory. Numbers climb higher, painting a picture of financial stability and success. The visual narrative of her financial journey unfolds, a story of growth and achievement. In the gentle glow of lamplight, Ava sits peacefully, surrounded by the comforting chaos of her apartment. Her thoughtful gaze sweeps across the room, settling on a silent reflection of her journey. A subtle smile blossoms on Ava's lips as she contemplates the profound strength found in simplicity. The weight of countless hours of unwavering dedication etches itself into the lines of her face. Ava is content with the life she has built. The sun-drenched outdoor cafe buzzes with laughter and light, where Ava shares a joyful moment with friends, her face radiant with newfound ease. In a local art store, Ava's eyes sparkle with inspiration as she thoughtfully selects art supplies, her hands tracing the textures with delight. Ava sits at a table, a confident investor, her signature sealing a small business venture, her smile reflecting the promise of future success. Gone is the weight of financial strain. Ava's every action is now infused with genuine joy, her spirit soaring with boundless opportunity. The screen ignites with the bold declaration, "Simplicity wins." Images flash across the screen, each scene a testament to the story's profound message. The essence of the story distills into a single, powerful image. The message resonates, lingering in the air.